If you're in Los Angeles, I wanted to make sure you knew about something fun coming up this weekend, October 4th and 5th, 2025. This weekend, there is a school meetup that's happening with a few people. It's a small venue. I'm co-hosting it with a school super user like myself. His name is Goose. He's on a worldwide tour right now, just spreading the message about school. It's so fun. He's going to all 7 continents, including Antarctica. And he's stopping by LA first. He's been all over the world so far this year. So we're joining forces. He invited me to join forces with him, and we're going to present and have a good time and talk about school, answer your questions about school. And I have 10 school memberships, so I really like it. If you're not familiar with school, SKOOL, check out skool.com. And if you are familiar, if you're in one of my memberships, if you're on school with me, and especially if you have your own school membership, you're going to want to come to this if you're in Los Angeles. But if you're in the membership, it's for school users. So if you're an attendee, a member, or a school host, it doesn't matter. You can come to this event. If you are someone who's curious about school, you've been thinking about joining and you want to check it out, you can also come to it. You'll just join school as a member by getting your ticket. That's what's cool about it. And it just costs $9. So the $9 goes towards Goose's tour fund so he can keep touring. But don't buy a ticket if you can't make it, because it's such a small venue that if you buy a ticket and don't come to it, then somebody will miss out. So I hope to see you there if you're in Los Angeles. Tell your friends if you're not. If you're not in LA or you can't get here, tell your friends about it who are in LA so that they don't miss out on it. I'll see you soon. The link is in the description below.